Hello everyone, today I am going to explain you regarding the Deloitte campus placement drive which had came now and unfortunately it is not in a Jain college and it is through online they are hiring. So there are two job profiles. Prior there was only one job profile, that is USI Consulting previously. Okay, last year there was only one job profile, but now they are hiring for two job profile. Either one of them you have to apply. One is Deloitte USI Consulting, this is the profile one, either one of them. Okay, associate analyst Deloitte USI Consulting and this is for a BSc as well as BCA 2022 graduates, and they will not see a 10th and PUC. If your graduation, that is 1 to 3rd semester is completed, no, that is of if 60% above is there, and after that also if you got selected in Deloitte, so 4th, 5th, 6th semester, that also be above 60%, means overall aggregate it has to be 60% above, then only they will select you. Means if they select you people also in 5th sem or 6th sem, if any one of the subject is back or something it happens, so they may reject you. Okay, there is a possibility, and they are offering the package that is 3.82 3,82,500. And how to apply, job descriptions and everything they have given here. If you click on this you will get the information, so I will click on that later on. So registration means how to apply they have given here. If you click on that, the information will be given. And here one more thing regarding the another job profile is associate analyst, that is risk and financial advisor, money management, these all things were there. So that is also the same thing, 2022 graduates only 60, the same thing is applied for both of them. That is also 3,82,500 is there, and if you click on this you will get the job description of risk and financial advisory, and the registration link is there. If you click on this you will get the how to apply. So online test will be on 11th of November, and I'll tell you how to create the resume and everything. And it is same like Wipro only. So they have mentioned two things here. The students have to meet all the eligibility criteria, and students should have a laptop or a desktop. So same like Wipro you have attended, no, the same thing you have to attend, but you have laptop has to be there or a desktop, but it has to be a camera. Okay, so they are hiring virtually. So first we'll go to the profile one, that is associate analyst Deloitte USI Consulting. I'll just show you how it is, and then we'll move to the risk and financial advisory. Okay, so when I click on this, what happens, it will not open in the Microsoft Edge. So I'll just copy this one, I'll go to the Chrome and I'll open it and I'll show you. Okay, so here Chrome, in that I'll just press enter. So what happens, this is the Deloitte USI Consulting. Okay, I'll cancel this. Here this one is what, Deloitte USI Consulting profile. Okay, so previously they used to hire only these people, that is Deloitte USI. They have told everything. So what all needed, BSc, what is the general expectation, communication must be good, working knowledge, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, these all things must be there. Okay, and marketing, they have mentioned this job description, go through it once again. Okay, so and after this, here they have the next tab is there, how to create a great resume. They have already mentioned how to create a resume. So the format I have already given here, that is USI Consulting, and here what you have to do, if your name is, for example my name is like Girish Matikop underscore USI Consulting resume, like this you have to give. You have to put this so that you can upload that same thing in the resume also, in the company website also. When I click on this, it will show you the resume format which Deloitte USI Consulting was asking. It is asking like a resume, photo must be there, information, candidate information, and regarding skills and this all, same type format I have created here. Where exactly? Here. Okay, career objective, skills, projects, and after that education, achievements, awards, strength, weakness, area of interest, these all things. Okay, actually this is one of the student, I just copy pasted. Okay, this is the format, you can apply it. And I cancel it. After this resume format, they have told there is a recruitment process. If you click on that recruitment process, it will tell you how many stages are there. Actually there are only two stages. One is the aptitude test is there, and after that interviews is there. Virtual pre-placement talk means what all you people have to do. Once the aptitude is done, no, those who got selected, they have a virtual pre-placement talk, means what all job is there, which type of job is there, which kind of job is there, they will explain you. And after that face-to-face interview will be there. They may call you to the Bangalore, or they may have a virtual interview. It depends on them. They will send you a mail once you got selected in the aptitude test. So that is under the recruitment process. And if you click on the do's and don't, so in this the frequently asked questions was there. So what is the compensation, what does the Deloitte starts its campus recruitment, each and everything they had given you. If you have any questions, you can search here, you will get all the details. Where can I expect offer? 3 to 4 weeks after the date of joining, they will give you offer letter. They have given all the information here. Okay, guidelines, do's and don'ts. Okay, through Zoom they are taking the online interview, like that they have told. We'll see. Okay, so this all information is there, that comes under the do's and don'ts. And recruitment process, how many stages are there, and how to create a resume. So this is the PDF is also there, and the Word is also there. In Word you can edit it and you can type it. And here you have to type related your information. It is not like whatever is written here only just you have to copy paste. What projects you have done or no, I don't know. Okay, so it's better you mention the skills and achievements, what all achievements, certification course if you have done, you can do that. Strength, weakness, you can put what you are eligible for, that means what you know, your interest, area of interest and everything, you have to put it. Okay, so that comes the end of the one more is there in Deloitte Consulting. I just shown you the job description and more on profile. Registration link, when you click on this registration link, see here, when you click on this, actually it will go to the Microsoft Edge. So you just copy this URL and go to the Chrome. Here I'll paste it. Okay, this registration link, what it will do, here you have to apply. So here it is showing associate analyst, pooled campus drive. When you click on this apply now, no, so here you have to click on the create profile. Once you click on the create profile, what it will do, it will ask you to upload a resume. Here it is asking to upload a resume. Just click on the upload a resume, choose the file, PDF file, and then click on this, and after that write your personal information, job specific questions is there, fill that additional information there, and then review and submit is there. Finally when you click on the submit, you have applied it. Okay, through company also you have to apply, and they are asking me one more Excel sheet. Okay, that you have to that is a Google form. I will share you that also you have to fill. First you have to fill this, and then you have to go to that Google form. You have to fill. What you have to do, first you have to fill in the company website, and after that Google form I have shared you have to fill that. Okay, so right now this is done regarding the USI Consulting, which I have told. Either this you have to apply, or there is one more is their job profile they have offered. So that job profile is nothing but the profile 2, that is associate analyst, risk and financial advisory is there. So in this risk and financial advisory, when you click on this here, that is the job details. If you want to see that, so you can go here, copy this, and go to the Chrome. I'll just go to the Chrome here, Google Chrome. I'll click here, Google Chrome. So I'll paste that link, and then once I press enter, here it will show risk and advisory. Okay, in this risk and advisory, same thing is there: job description, how to create a great resume, recruitment test, recruitment process, do's and don'ts. These all are there. Same like USI consulting, which I have explained. Okay, so if I click on the job description, it will display all the job description. Just a second, why it is not coming? Internet is very slow. Okay, so here is the Deloitte job USI consulting. They have explained each and everything here. Your experience could include this, all is there. Just go through it. And qualification is BSc or they require a BCA. And what they have preferred means, actually here they have they want the programming language skill also. In USI consulting, only Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint they required, but here they required C, C++, Java also. So here you can apply it. So these all things they had given. And how to create a great resume. When you click on this here, click to download is there. Once you click on that, what it will do, it will here it will show you how the format of to create a resume. See here, insert a passport size or government records, like this they had given you the format. Okay, optional format. Same thing what I have done, I have created a format. I'll just show you here. This is ready for advisory. Okay, the format which the advisory. So this is the type of a resume. Okay, so if you are applying for risk and advisory, you can apply here. Okay, you can create this type of a format of resume. And here last one they have asked, use this space to talk about why would you like to apply for Deloitte. Just write some few points why you are would you like to apply for Deloitte. If you copy this and if you go here and search, okay, so 10 reasons you will get, or many reasons are there why would you want to work for Deloitte, interview questions, these all are there. You can copy some few words and you can paste it if you want. Okay, and here this is a resume format which I have shown you. You can upload it. Okay, I'll close the current tab. And how to create a resume is done. Next is recruitment process. It follows the same thing. Aptitude assessment will be there. Make your mark means that only pre-placement talk, and after that panel interview will be there, face-to-face interview. Same thing like USI consulting. And do's and don'ts are there. So here also they have told you regarding Zoom link is there and everything. They have actually through Zoom, I think so they are okay, session at least. Okay, so for interview I think so they are using Zoom. You have to use a dress code and make sure connection must be there. Once aptitude is complete now, that after that if you got selected in the first round, in the second round face-to-face interview, either they will call to Bangalore or they will take a face-to-face interview through online. Okay, it depends on them. They told virtual process, we'll see what they will do. Okay, so here meet our people is there. This is just a description. Okay, so here once you click on the home, one more feature they have added in USI consulting as well as risk advisory. What they have added means, once you go down here, time for mock test is there. If you click on this, you can attend the mock test also. Okay, Deloitte is providing mock test. That is this one. What you can tell, trial test. Deloitte is providing a trial way of test. Actually, I have applied it. Once again, start test. Okay, just a second. Why it is actually, it will show us one button here, start test, and one is resume test. So you click on the start test and then you have to apply. Just click on the visit link and click on the start test, and you can start the test. Here it is showing, it is not showing. Let's see to the another one. I'll go here in USI Consulting. I'll see. I'll go here. I'll just click on this. I'll copy that link. Wait a second. I'll just copy it. I'll go here. I'll paste it. I'll press enter. So this is USI Consulting. I'll go down here and I click to visit. Click on this link. Okay, so here start new test is there. Once you click on this, here you have to click on yes, continue. Here you can choose any question, type of sports. I'll select football, and here I'll click on yes and continue. Then what it will do, it will ask a few questions. English comprehension is there, logical ability, quantitative ability, these all are there. Once you click on next, what happened? It was dash, that is father passed away last night. It was unexpected or unaware. You can select it and you can but I think so it will not give the answer. Sushil has this, they had just given a demo like this, the questions might come. Okay, Sushil has gone to the nearby ATM to withdraw some cash. Okay, so like this things will come. Dialect means a dialogue or something. What is the meaning of that? So once you click on that, so you can go, you will not go directly to the another questions. Directly here you have to, specialist opposite is what, that you have to put here. Okay, so or directly you can exit here. Okay, when you click on the exit, it will come outside. So now I have already created one Deloitte form. Okay, HR had asked that form also, and I have to send it Google form. I'll share you this link, that is Deloitte Google form for 2022 batch. See here, all the information. USN number means M1911, you have to put candidate full name, you have to put email ID and mobile number, which one you are selecting, which one you have applied, either Deloitte USI Consulting or Risk and Financial Advisory. If you are good in programming, Risk and Financial Advisory, if you are good in communication skills, verbal and that all, then USI Consulting is good for you. Okay, so either one of them you have to select. Already I had told you, it depends on you people which one you will select. Okay, don't ask me that, sir, whether I have to select this one or this one. Select any one, your choice. Go through job description and select. So what I want to tell you is, this one had came a new. I don't have any knowledge about this, because I have a knowledge about this Deloitte USI Consulting, because prior students have selected in this, and there is not much coding thing in this one, no coding type questions. But here I think so they have added one more, and they have, in job description also they have mentioned C++, Python and everything. So I think so here in this Risk and Financial Advisory, the coding questions may also added. It may, I don't know. But in Deloitte USI Consulting, if you know Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, these all things are there. Like general verbal communication, English, these all things were there in Deloitte USI Consulting. So if you are good in coding or something, you can apply for this. If you are not, or it depends on you whether you want to select this or this one. Okay, and after that you click on the submit. Either one of them you have to apply, don't apply both. Okay, later on if you will not get any call letter or something, then don't blame on me. Understood? So either one of them you have to apply. So finally I'll end up this. And resume, if you have if your name is for example Girish, then Girish Matikop, like that. If Girish underscore Matikop underscore USI consulting underscore resume, like this you have to apply. Understood? So I have already told you how to register. One is from Google form and one more is from company. That's it. Thank you and happy Deepavali everyone.